No cold drinks into my body, sir,
No cold
from
drinks
today.
into your body. Wow, excellent, man. Excellent, excellent. Wow. So you should consider, if you are seeing the cold drink means a poison bottle you are going to see.
Yes, sir.
Believe me, really it is the poison only. Really it is the poison only. If you are seeing the cold drink means it's really poison. Thumbs up, these kind of things. But anyway, the people are habituated, addicted. That's why they are not in position, okay, to leave that. But decide slowly, decide yourself. Okay, so what you can do is, yeah, instead of if you can maintain that, well and good. Sir, if it is not, then obviously, okay, morning and evening, I won't take cold drinks. Better to keep. Or otherwise, weekly, 1 day cold drink free. Or weekly, 2 days cold drink free. Okay, like, sir, these 2 days I won't take. There are some people who are always going to maintain non-veg I won't eat on Thursday, non-veg I won't eat on Monday, non-veg I won't eat on. Like, better to start 1 day cold drink free. After few days, 2 days you can extend. After few months, 3 days you can extend. Like, slowly you can throw away that bloody cold drink from your life.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Get in, Teja. Because suddenly you are going to change means, suddenly I want to change means, what will happen is, okay, with full motivation, you can do that. 1 month you may continue, 2 months you may continue, third month somewhere, some taste, okay, again the cinema is going to start. Slowly, it should be part of your slowly, it should be added in your life. Because cool drinks you are drinking from your childhood onwards. Teja, correct?
Correct, correct, sir. Yeah.
From your childhood onwards. So cool drinks you are drinking from your childhood onwards. Childhood onwards. What
Right.
is your age currently?
29.
29, 30 years. 29 years. 29 years habit. I want to change from in 1 day. That thing never be possible. Okay. So what you can slowly, 1 year or 2 years time you can take, slowly you can remove from your body. Okay. At least where you are going to take. Only Sunday I want to take cold drink. Next Monday, I won't take. Slowly, you can try to avoid. Maybe 6 months, 1 year, or 2 years down the line, completely you are free from cold drink. Wow, cold drink means,
Yes, sir.
sugar, man, sugar bags are going to be entered in our body. Okay? Yeah. Good.